Hello all, my name is Grant with Instrument Technology, and today we're going to be going over the Vivax MetroTech drain camera, which is brand new to their camera lines. Of course, we all know about the Vivax VCam 6, the MX, and like I said, today we're going to be unboxing the new drain camera. We have cameras for the larger pipe diameters. Of course, you know, the VCam 6, you know, you can do 3, 4, all the way up to 12 inch if you have the right skid. Of course, the MX is made for 3, 4s and a little bit of 6s. Drain camera here was manufactured to do pipe sizes of 2 inch and under. So really, there's not a whole lot in the box. We have a reel, an accessory bag, and of course our trusty manual. So you're probably noticing that there's not a lot in the box, and one glaring thing that you may see is that, where's the monitor? Well, this unit here runs off of a tablet or your phone. So Vivax MetroTech has an app called VCam Mobile Controller that you can get on the iOS or Android, downloadable for free. And actually you can use that app for the VCam 6 and the MX as well. There is Wi-Fi connectivity on those two units as well. But this one doesn't come with a standalone monitor. This one, you will be able to just use a tablet or your phone using the VCam mobile player. So now we're gonna go over the connectivity and view some video on this camera. And it runs through Wi-Fi. So all you have to do is download the app, VCam Mobile Controller. It's on the Google Play Store and the iOS Store for free. So you go to VCam Mobile Controller, go to the VCam drain icon. Now, if you have a VCam 6 or an MX as well, you can also use this app with those units. You just have to select which unit you're gonna be using it with. In this case, of course, we're gonna use the VCam drain. Select that. When VCam drain pops up, it says connect to device. So now we have a picture. On the screen, we have a couple different things. We have an overlay for the time and date. And then of course the footage counter, which is in the center. Now, once you start pulling the cable out of the machine, we're gonna get the footage. We can see here that this is a non-self-leveling camera head, of course. And when we're ready to zero out, we just hit the 0 button and the counter is now at 0, okay? Now to turn the sonde on the top left-hand side, there is a sonde icon, tap that. Now we are broadcasting 512 Hertz out of the sonde, which is located inside the spring. To adjust the lights, we have a slider that pops up on the screen, and we can adjust the lighting. Okay, I'm gonna have it turned all the way up. Now to make a recording, on the right hand of the screen, we have a video icon. Tap that once. You can manage your projects this way, or your videos. You hit the time and date, and now we are recording once that icon turns red. We can do voice recording by tapping the microphone button. We can also take a still shot. Once you've made a video, what you can do is you can go on the left-hand side, there is a file button. You tap that. We have a couple different, we have a JPEG and a video. Of course, the JPEG is just the still shot. Now, any video or JPEG that you record on this machine, you can actually send the video through some sort of cloud, maybe Google Drive or Dropbox, and we can select, you know, say Google Drive, and we can share the video that way. Of course, to delete it, you just tap on the trash can, and if you no longer need the video or picture, you hit OK, and now the video is deleted. So if you're already a VCam user, you probably already know what goes in this nylon bag, accessory bag. Each one of these bags comes with a manual, charging cables, camera head removal tools. Just a good place to store stuff. Keep things neat and tidy on the job when you're using the camera. So not a lot to this unit. Once again, it's pretty simple. We have the power button, the Wi-Fi connect button. So once you turn the power on, you wait about 40 seconds and the Wi-Fi will turn on. There'll be a green light here, which means that you're ready to connect with whatever device you want to view your video through, whether it's a tablet or your phone. There's a battery meter over here showing how strong your battery is. And you can see here that the Wi-Fi came on, so now I'd be ready to connect to my tablet or phone. In here, there's a charging port, okay? And then you can actually record your video, not just to your app, but you can record directly to a USB if you wanted to. There's a little USB slot right in here. So if you have a USB plugged in, you can record directly to the USB. So the VCam drain, you can purchase in 2 different lengths. You can buy 70 feet of 9mm push rod, or you can also purchase it in 100 feet 9mm push rod. The camera head is non-self-leveling D18, which is 3/4 inch OD. We have a built-in sonde inside the spring. Here we have a brake for the cable drum. So when you tighten it, it locks the reel in place so it won't free spin. There's also a cable guide here that you run the cable through. So the VCam drain is designed for 2-inch and under. So it'll navigate through trap, 90s, 45s, and those size pipe. Really not made for mainline, 3-inch and up. But I've created this little contraption here that will show you how it navigates through a 90 and a 45. So the D18 has navigated through 90 and a 45 easily. The VCam drain is very compact. It weighs about 15 to 17 pounds depending on what cable length you get. Versatile, doesn't take up too much space in your truck or van. Lightweight and compact, this camera can be easily taken up a ladder. If you like this type of content or want to know more about Vivax Metrotech products, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you later.